This lesson focuses on greatest common factor using boards number 3, number 9, the red and blue pond markers, the dry erase marker, and the cloth. To save a little bit of time, we've placed the red pond markers in each of the squares where the number 24 appears. The blue pond markers will then be placed in the appropriate row on the top and the appropriate column on the bottom. So 2 times 12 is 24. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 6 is 24. 6 times 4 is 24. 8 times 3 is 24. And finally 12 times 2 is 24. So the factors of 24 along the top row are 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, and 12. These are the numbers that we will record on board number 9. So what we'll do is we'll place the 24 in this first left-hand box, and each of the factors that correspond with the top row on board number 3. So the factors we would record are the numbers 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, and finally the number 12. Going back to board number 3, we will now replace each of the factors for 24, this time using the factors for 36. So each time we see the number 36 appear on this board, we will place a red pond marker. So what we have to do is take each of the blue pond markers and place them on the factors that give us the number 36. So in this first case, we would have 3 times 12 for 36. We would have 4 times 9 for 36. We would have 6 times 6 for 36. 9 times 4 for 36. And finally, we would have 12 times 3 for 36. Each of the factors along the top row this time would be 3, 4, 6, 9, and 12. Removing board number 3 and once again replacing it with board number 9. The numbers that we would write in this case, first of all, we put in the number 36, and all of the factors that we recorded along the top row of board number 3, we would begin with the number 3, 4, the number 6, the number 9, and finally the number 12. We can circle each of the numbers that are similar to both lists. In this case, the number 3 is similar, the number 4 is similar, the number 6, and so is the number 12. The greatest common factor, of course, of each of these common factors is the number 12. Therefore, the greatest common factor for 24 and 36 is the number 12. So this is how you use board number 3 and number 9 to determine the greatest common factor of any pair of numbers.